Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about how to search the library catalog. So our library catalog is called Destiny Quest, and when you come to the library during your media center time, you can use Destiny Quest to find books that you were looking for. So to start your search, you're going to type in the topic of what you were looking for. So let's choose whales. The results are going to be sorted by relevance. When you look at this screen, you can see which books are checked in and which books are checked out. So this book, called Whales, is checked in, and it's going to give us some information about the book. So this book is about facts and mysteries about whales, including different species, what they eat, and how they breathe. This is a nonfiction book, so it has a call number, which is right here. You can click on Shelf Browse, which will show you where on the shelf the book is, as well as other books around it. And then it also gives you some books you may also like based on your search. Okay. Now let's say you browse through your results and you don't see what you're looking for, or you want to narrow your search down. You can click up here where it says Subject. And this has all of the subjects dealing with whales into smaller categories. So let's say we want to learn about friendship in whales. So we're going to click that, and we have two books. We have two fiction books dealing with friendship in whales. All right. If we don't like that, we can X out of that subject. And again, search by another subject. You can sort here by most hits. And let's choose dolphins this time. So these are all the books in the library available by dolphins, about dolphins. Okay. All right, if you are still confused about how to use the search, please do not hesitate to ask, and we will help you find what you need. Thanks.